呢也都2位小朋友都能。可以好，那大家让他表演吧，好不好？给大家掌声吧。
Trying to get some of the geisha girls there.
Just ask one.
Yeah, yeah. Can I take your picture? Yeah, William? Okay, yeah. Thank you. Ice cream. Ice cream. Fantastic. Is that the one there? One there?
I thought she said Bella then.
Also, thank you.
Is that it? Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Pushes like this tomorrow when we have mad people, bro.
Yeah.
So this is the Xiang bell tower. So this is the best preserved bell tower in China now. Okay, it was built in 1384, over 600 years old. So the bell tower is the center of the whole city. So from the bell tower to the north gate or to the south gate. So this is the South Street. From the north gate, North Street, the west East Street. So the 4 streets divide the whole city into 4 quarters. Okay, so the northwest quarter is the Muslim
So
quarter.
it's the center.
The city center.
Okay, and then each one points to the
So inside the city, old town, inside the city wall, all streets they were built from the east to the west or from the south to the north. It's a very rapid.
This is the centre of the city. The bell tower is the centre of the city.
The bell tower is it to signify
The
time?
same to the Big Bang. So telling time.
Time, yeah.
So in the west, you can see a tower, in the west, the drum tower. So the morning bell and the evening.